Today we'll be performing a general test on the Draeger PSS 7000 breathing apparatus set. This video covers set inspection, high pressure tests, balance test and face fit, and bodyguard and ancillary equipment checks. Before beginning a general test, log on with your RFID tally. The left-hand button on the bodyguard will wake the BA set. The bodyguard will automatically cycle slowly through the options menu. Alternately, the right-hand button can be used to manually cycle to the RFID logon option. Press the left-hand button to select an option. Place your tally on the rear of the bodyguard to log on. Press and hold the left-hand button to switch the bodyguard off. Check the BA set is clean and ready to be tested. The backplate and harness webbing can be cleaned with warm water and a sponge. The BA mask should be washed in an appropriate solution in line with current guidance. Check the numbers on the lung demand valve, mask, tally, and backplate are all the same. Check the cylinder connection is finger tight and that the valise does not pose a snagging hazard. Check the retention strap and fasteners are free from damage and the anti-entanglement strap is taut. Visually inspect the face mask for good condition with all straps fully retracted. Check the oronasal mask is fitted correctly. The mushroom and exhalation valves should be in place and not sticking. Check the LDV connection housing for signs of wear and cracks. Whilst attached to the face mask, gently pull on the LDV to ensure it is correctly connected. Inspect the backplate for damage, including the condition of all hoses. The emergency air supply equipment hose should be free of debris, with a cap fitted and secured correctly. All harnesses and buckles should be checked for damage and correct operation. Remove the lung demand valve from the face mask, ensuring the green reset button is pressed. Open the cylinder valve fully. The bodyguard displays an icon to ensure all segments of the display are functioning. A second icon explains what cylinder the set is expecting. This should show a 6.8 litre cylinder charged to 300 bar in single cylinder configuration. A BA cylinder must have at least 270 bar pressure after completing a general test. Once the self-check is complete, the bodyguard will display the high pressure leak test icon. The segments around the icon will time out until the bodyguard automatically cycles to the next option. The left-hand button should be pressed to initiate the leak test. The bodyguard will prompt to close the cylinder and press the right-hand button. Check the ratchet device on the cylinder valve functions correctly whilst shutting. Once the cylinder valve is shut, the bodyguard displays a pause icon whilst the pressures in the BA set stabilise. This is followed by a clock icon whilst the pressure is monitored to ensure it does not drop by more than 10 bar in 1 minute. After a successful high pressure leak test, the pass icon is displayed. Consult the standard test procedure if the test fail icon is displayed. Cover the LDV outlet with the palm of your hand. Press the front button to allow positive pressure to flow. The pneumatic and electronic low pressure alarms will sound between 80 and 70 bar. The electronic alarm will stop sounding at 10 bar, whilst the pneumatic whistle will continue to sound until the pressure is depleted. At 0 bar pressure, the bodyguard displays the open cylinder icon. Remove the tally and insert into a Draeger Merlin board. Ensure a good telemetry link is achieved. It is good practice to use a different tally slot each time this test is performed. Reconnect the LDV to the face mask, ensuring a positive connection. Press the green LDV reset button and open the cylinder valve fully before the bodyguard times out. Don the face mask properly. On your first breath in, the LDV should switch to positive mode. Operate the supplementary air supply twice by pressing the front button. Take a couple of breaths. Turn the cylinder valve fully off and hold your breath. With your breath held, move your head up, down, left and right for 8 seconds. There should be no audible leaks from the mask and the pressure should not drop by more than 60 bar. Breathe down slowly. Ensure both the pneumatic and electronic alarms activate between 80 and 70 bar. Once the air is depleted, negative pressure will suck the mask onto your face. Move your head up, down, left and right for 8 seconds to ensure a good seal is maintained. To remove the mask, loosen the straps and breathe out to eliminate the negative pressure. Loosen all straps fully and clean the face mask with a sterile white cloth as a minimum. Remove the tally from the Draeger Merlin board and reinsert into the bodyguard. Allow 20 seconds for the telemetry to disconnect. Remove the tally and allow the bodyguard to go into operational mode, showing 0 bar pressure. A green light will flash every second. Press the left-hand button to check the display backlight illuminates. Repeat the check using the right-hand button. Do not move the unit. After 30 seconds, the pre-alarm will sound. Shake the bodyguard to cancel the pre-alarm. Allow another 30 seconds for the bodyguard to go into pre-alarm. If no movement is detected for a further 10 seconds, the automatic distress signal unit will activate full alarm. The alarm sounds, blue and red lights flash, and the automatic activation icon is displayed. Insert the tally into the bodyguard to cancel the alarm. Remove the tally. Press the yellow circular button to check manual operation of the distress signal unit. The alarm sounds, blue and red lights flash, and the manual activation icon is displayed. Insert the tally into the bodyguard to cancel the alarm. Press and hold the left-hand button to turn off the bodyguard. Check that the personal line is securely fitted to the waist harness. Pull the retractable line from its holder, ensuring it stops at 1.25 metres. Press the release button and pull the additional 4.75 metres of line out. Check the condition of the personal line as it retracts. The line should stop retracting at the 1.25 metre knot. Press the button on the holder and check the remainder of the line. Check the operation of the carabiner and restow. Check the knife pouch is securely fitted to the waist harness. Remove the knife and ensure it is in good condition. Check the metal loop attaching the knife to the pouch is securely held by the Velcro strip. Check the knife is stowed correctly with the lanyard folded neatly alongside the knife, not wrapped around it. If a radio is fitted, switch the unit on. Check the radio is set to the correct channel and that the battery is full. Switch on the comms mask using the side button. The comms unit will beep during startup. A green light should illuminate indicating the battery has sufficient charge. Using a separate handheld radio, check the comms mask can both send and receive radio messages.
Radio test, report my signal.
Your signal loud and clear.
After a successful test, ensure the comms mask is switched off. Disconnect the mask from the body unit.
Radio test, report my signal.
Check the unit can both send and receive radio messages, and that the speaker and both push-to-talk buttons function correctly.
Your signal also loud and clear.
A torch should be fitted to operational sets. Torch checks are detailed in the relevant standard test procedure. Before restowing the BA set, check the stowing cradle operates correctly. A charging lead should be connected to the backplate so that the bodyguard displays the charging icon.